Hi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can quickly and easily create Doodle videos. Our drag and drop Doodle software that allows anyone, regardless of tech skills, to create highly engaging professional Doodle videos in a matter of minutes. Because Doodle videos are fun and engaging, they can get you more clicks, likes, shares, and most importantly sales than any other type of video. Doodle videos are perfect for marketing, teaching, fundraising, personal use, and even inspiring others. After all, one of the keys to a successful video is to capture your audience's attention and keep it for an extended period of time. And since you're still watching this video, you already know how great Doodle videos are at doing just that. Not only are Doodle videos incredibly captivating, but research shows that they massively boost learning and memory retention. As a result, viewers really absorb your message, making your videos that much more impactful. And even better, Doodle videos can make complex or boring subjects fun and easy to understand. Alright, here I am, and it's available for Mac and PC. You'll notice that you can choose the style of your video, selecting from Whiteboard, Blackboard, Greenboard, Glassboard, and for more advanced users, you can even use a green screen background, giving you lots of control over the video style. In this example, let's create a nice looking Whiteboard Doodle video. Hundreds of characters, a huge selection of props and images, royalty-free music, and even text. And for the ultimate in customization, you can even upload your own images, fonts, props, and music. Next, so I'm going to simply drag and drop the scene I want right into my video skills. If you can click or drag your mouse, you can create a professional Doodle video in a matter of minutes. Also select how long it takes the hand to draw something, so scenes, characters, and props are timed perfectly to your voiceover, should you choose to use one. Oh, and one more thing. When you upload your own image, using our enhanced Doodle Draw technology, you can make cool draw paths like this. And that's especially true right now. The going rate for professional Doodle video creation is anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 to have someone make a video similar to the one that I just showed you, without paying ridiculously high fees to professional design firms.